In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers to your PowerPoint presentation in just 5 minutes. This simple feature can significantly improve the organization and professionalism of your slides, making it easier for your audience to follow along, especially in printed handouts or during slide navigation. First things first, let's dive into the basics of opening your PowerPoint software. This might seem straightforward to many, but for those new to the platform, it involves clicking on the Microsoft PowerPoint icon on your computer. It might be on your desktop in your taskbar, or you might need to search for it using the search function on your computer. Once you've opened the PowerPoint software, you'll be greeted with the opening screen. Now let's move on to opening your specific PowerPoint file. With the software opened, you'll see a variety of options, including a list of recent presentations or a open button which allows you to browse your computer for the specific PowerPoint file you intend to work on. Navigate through your folders and select the file you wish to open. Double-clicking on your desired file will open it up in PowerPoint ready for editing. Once your file is open and you have your slides in front of you, your next step is to head over to the Insert tab. This is located in the top menu bar which runs along the top of the PowerPoint window. The Insert tab is where PowerPoint houses a plethora of features and functions that can enhance your slides, including the ability to add various types of text, images, shapes, and importantly, slide numbers. After clicking on the Insert tab, you'll find yourself looking at various options for enhancing your slides. For the purpose of adding page numbers, you want to focus on the text section. Here you'll see a button labelled Slide Number. This is your gateway to adding those crucial numbers to your slides. Click on it and a new dialog box will appear on your screen. This dialog box presents you with a few options, but the one we're interested in is the checkbox titled Slide Number. By selecting this box, you're instructing PowerPoint to include a page number on your slides. However, simply ticking this box isn't the final step. You're presented with two crucial buttons, Apply and Apply to All. If you want to add numbers to every slide in your presentation, which is typically the case, you'll need to select Apply to All. This action uniformly adds page numbers across your slides, ensuring consistency throughout your presentation, and just like that, you've successfully added page numbers to your PowerPoint slides. It's a straightforward process that doesn't require much time, but it can make a big difference in how your presentation is received. These numbers not only help in guiding your audience through the presentation, especially in scenarios where you're referring to specific slides, but also add a layer of professionalism and organization that doesn't go unnoticed. A few additional tips before we wrap up. Remember that the appearance and position of slide numbers can be adjusted. By exploring the Slide Master view under the View tab, you can customize how and where your numbers appear on the slides. This is particularly useful if you're working within a specific presentation template or need your slide numbers to be more or less prominent. Also, keep in mind that adding slide numbers is just one of many ways to enhance your presentation. PowerPoint offers a vast range of tools and features designed to make your presentation stand out, from transition effects and animations to custom slide designs and background options. In conclusion, adding page numbers to your PowerPoint presentation is a quick and easy process that can have a big impact on your presentation's effectiveness and professionalism. Whether you're presenting to a large audience, in a business meeting, or even for academic purposes, this small addition will help keep your audience oriented and engaged. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your PowerPoint presentations and beyond. Happy presenting!